Cebuana Luwalier is promoting their new services through this campaign. Talagang quality service na very affordable ang ibinibigay ng Cebuana Luwalier sa mga taong nangangailangan. At ngayon ay hindi na lang sila pawn shop. Meron silang iba pang magagandang services na mas makakatulong sa sambayan ng Pinoy. Don't forget to check them out!
Nakatrabaho ko din for yung upcoming movie niya, It Takes a Man and a Woman. Yan, medyo may malit akong role doon.
And Ole! And action!
Si Sarah naman, hindi naman, you know, there are like some people na talagang mabilis maghulas, mabilis magano. Si Sarah, hindi naman masyado. Tsaka because of the weather is very cooperative. Okay naman, hindi naman ako na-stress today.
Rolling. Action!
Si Sarah, as usual, very professional, always on the go. Makikita nyo kanina, medyo pagod because I think she just came from a shoot last night. But when she came here, when the director says, action, action talaga, walang ka-problema.
Action! Ay, Sarah!
It's so easy. And what we're doing na nga lang is, yung takes na nga lang is just a matter of timing and different variations of acting, but you get it in the first take. So it's not, you know, we're always, kami naman pag alam namin si Sarah, komportable kami with the acting. It's not even a question, di ba? So, ang problem lang namin talaga is parang we're shooting 3 Sarahs. That's why it's taking a while.
This year, actually 2013, when this commercial will be launched, we'll be doing a lot of different things. You know, Sarah will already communicate Cebuana Luwalier, not just a pawn shop, but with a whole slew of a lot of other financial services. Actually, if you look at the relationship between Cebuana Luwalier and Sarah, it has been a long-term relationship. And we're looking at prolonging it or maintaining it pa na mas matagal-tagal pa. You know, because just like Cebuana Luwalier, we have already evolved, as I mentioned earlier, from a pawn shop to a full banking financial services. Ganun din si Sarah, di ba? From a singer to an actress at lahat-lahat na. So we're growing with her and she's growing with us.
I think she connects with the people from all walks of life. That's why I see her endorsing lots of brands kasi nag-work siya, di ba? I mean, brands won't get her naman if she's not right, you know, the right character, the right persona, the image, you know, the talent, the face. So she's got everything, and it's gonna be a long while before mawala siya dyan. So it's gonna take forever, I guess.
Mabait talaga siya. I mean, what you see on TV and what you see on screen, pretty much, ganun din naman siya in real life. Diba? Parang, she's very natural, she's very down to earth, she's very humble, and of course, she's very talented. Diba? She's very young, but she's very talented and very natural as an actress.
What's nice about her is kahit naka-casual siya, may starstruck ka pa rin. Diba? And then that's good about her. So, she's really got it. She's got it. Diba? May X factor talaga.
Action! Hi!
For 6 years now, wala pa kami naririnig na reklamo kay Sarah. So we're very happy. Ganun pa rin siya, kahit pagod, very professional, and again, always on the go, full of energy, just like Cebuana Luwilier. Panalo.
We're very, very happy doing this commercial. Mahirap because we're doing quite a few in a span of a couple of days, but everybody we're working with has made it quite easy naman. So we're very, very happy.
Okay, smile. And sorry. You.
Siyempre proud po ako na I'm still endorsing Cebuana Luwilier at nandun pa rin yung tiwala po nila sa akin as an endorser. Yun nga, nag-expand tayo, patuloy na nag-expand. Cebuana Luwilier, hindi lang pawn shop, no? May remittance din. Ano pa ba? Meron silang foundation din. Saka ano pa ba? Yan, insurance, bills payment, may e-load, kompleto na. So, yun. One stop na. Okay guys, thank you for joining us. Sana na-enjoy ninyo yung paggawa namin ng TV commercial shoot for Cebuana Luwilier Pawn Shop. Bye-bye!
I really had fun doing this TV commercial shoot. I hope you guys will like the final outputs kasi talagang ang kulit lang ng mga eksena. So, the campaign's message is effectively delivered. Mas madaling maintindihan ng mga manonood ang new services ng Cebuana Luwilier. Super duper thanks to everyone that I have worked with on this TV ad shoot. And of course, to my Cebuana Luwilier family, thank you so much for the trust and support that you are giving to me. I'm really lucky. Thanks for watching. Till my next entry. Much love, Sarah.
God. Okay, thank you very much. Palapakan natin si Sarah Geronimo. Nice to see you again.
Lola, happy birthday!
Fire insurance? Di ba Cebuana Luwilier? Hindi lang insurance, pati pawn shop at remittance, bills payment, e-load, at iba pa. Basta pera, di ba Cebuana? Para di maputulan, mag-Cebuana Luwilier. Hindi lang bills payment, pati pawn shop at remittance, insurance, e-load, at iba pa. Basta pera, di ba Cebuana? Kung perang kailangan, di ba Cebuana? Ang Cebuana Luwilier, pawn shop na, may remittance, insurance at iba pa. Basta pera, di ba Cebuana?